Alright friends, we have reached the end of our theory lessons. If you go to the official website documentation, you can explore many other features. There are a lot of them, but we don't use every single one. I explain what I believe are the most important and useful ones. In total, we covered about 31 lessons in this theory section. If you would like to explore the rest, you can check the documentation yourself and review each feature one by one. For example, you might look up something like mask image, or mask repeat and see the examples provided there. You can also ask this kind of questions on ChatGPT to get additional clarifications. If you want to dive deeper, I recommend reading through the documentation carefully at least once. For our projects, however, we only need the main features that are used most frequently, and we have already practiced those in our lessons. Starting from the next section, we will move on to small project first and then gradually work our way up. Finally, we will complete the course with one large-scale project that will bring everything together. See you in the next lesson.